Are you ready to add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto to your original 2017 to 19 Nissan Pathfinder? Check it out. The Hamilton Upgrade Kit is here. It's a box custom designed by Hamilton Motor Company, and it allows you to easily switch between your factory Nissan system and the brand new Hamilton Upgrade Kit where you'll have CarPlay and Android Auto. This system preserves your factory functionality like your original 360 and backup cameras. You can see them here. When I shift to reverse, my cameras come up, and back to park or drive will bring me right back into CarPlay. We're going to have full details on this product on HamiltonMotorCompany.com. You can see how it preserves your original knob here. As well, the screen is fully touchscreen. I'll show you now through some of the features. So this device is going to use your factory microphone. That means whether you're making phone calls or talking to Siri, it's going to have no trouble hearing you. Hey Siri, get directions to Crabtree Mall.
Getting directions to Crabtree.
How much better is it to be able to use Apple Maps or Google Maps than your factory navigation? Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. This device is going to install in about 2 hours. We'll have a full installation video that'll show you all of the key details. You can see here our split screen view in CarPlay where you've got your music showing next to navigation. And this is your widgets view here. With this system, you'll have access to your original XM, FM, and AM radios. However, navigation from CarPlay cannot talk out of the original radio channels. You can have them playing while CarPlay is showing, but if you want CarPlay to give you turn-by-turn directions, you need to be playing music from your phone. We're going to have a really important video that'll show you how to pair and set it up. We back all of our systems with a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee, as well as North Carolina-based tech support. North Carolina-based tech support is here to help you if you have any questions before, during, or after your installation. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We're pleased for the opportunity to earn your business, and I'll see you in the next video.